Good morning, guys. Guess what I have here? I have, look at these beautiful flowers. And you guys know what this is? It's okra. In May here in South Florida. You know, in the summertime here, or close to it anyway. Yesterday was 96. Feels like 110 or something with humidity, but and it's May. But here in South Florida, you know, in the summer you can only grow a few things around this time. For us, it's in reverse. The regular gardening season for vegetables and so forth is actually basically the winter time. So it's too hot the rest of the time, you know, to grow any of the stuff that everybody's familiar with as far as vegetables. But this is one crop that you can. There's a few, and this is one of them. The okra you can definitely do in this time. Now check this out. This thing is like it's like on steroids here, okra on steroids or something. Look at the size of this thing. This thing is getting to be like a foot long almost. It's unreal. And they're flowering now. They're all coming with the okra right here. See? Got flowers. Got more here. And I got another section. Mishu. There's a cat right here. Alright, you can see, look, these are even taller, but they're kind of taking them a little longer to actually get the fruit. These have, you can tell here, it's a very pretty flower. Yellow, kind of purplish, reddish inside. You got more of them right here. Look at that, how beautiful. So, some people don't like okra. It's got like a slimy texture to it, and you got to get them before they're hard. If you wait for them to you know, if they get hard and you try to cook them, then they're going to be kind of, it's like trying to chew, you know, it's hard, like something hard in your mouth that you're trying to chew, and you can't really like swallow it well. But you got to get them when they're still kind of tender, and then you cook them and they're just kind of slimy and soft. I love them. Some people hate them, but I personally love them. My dad does too, my mom doesn't. So depends on your taste, like anything else. But it's one of the things that I can definitely grow well here in this time. And it's, you know, a good option to kind of fill in your beds here in South Florida in this time of the year when it gets hot. This is an option, you know, crop you can definitely grow. So I just want to share that with you. Okay, guys. Thanks for watching. God bless.